In my previous video, I mentioned that you could change how frequently the numbers appear on your x-axis and your y-axis. So in this particular figure, by default, our x-axis values were counting by 5s and our y-axis values were also counting by 5s. Just in case your figure didn't do the same thing, or you want your axis values to count by something other than what appears, I wanted to show you how to change your axis value frequency. So to do this, we're going to right click on any of the numbers on our x-axis, and then at the bottom of this drop down window you'll see something that says Format Axis. It's probably getting cut off on my screen, but it's at the bottom of this drop down menu that you can see here. When you click on Format Axis, that's going to pull up this pane on the side that you've seen before. I'm just going to change my major units. So in this example, they were set to 5 by default. I'm going to change to, say, 10 just to kind of see what happens. Hit enter, and you can see that now we're counting by 10s instead of by 5s. You could do the same thing on the y-axis. So right click on any of the y-axis values, click Format Axis, go over to the major units and switch 5 to 10, and you can see that now we're counting by 10s instead of 5s. So that's how you would change the numbers on your, or the frequency of the numbers on your x and y axes. I don't particularly like the way this counting by 10s example looks because I don't have a number up here at the top and there's quite a bit of empty space here. So I'm going to undo what I just did by clicking on the undo tool at the top of my screen. So fixed the y-axis and I fixed the x-axis. And that's all that you need to know about changing the major units on your properly formatted Excel figure.